How does Safety First meet Buy America requirements? Publicly funded projects, whether it's federal, state, or local, Buy America requirements may apply. This is not a problem for Safety First. As the only vertically integrated manufacturer of fire-rated glass framing and entrances in the USA, we comply with all of the Buy America Act requirements. Our products are made in our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Merced, California. Here are some of our projects. If you want to learn more about our products and services, feel free to visit our website at www.safety.com or call us toll-free at 888-653-3333.